Now I am telling how to complete assignment 4 in Introduction to SQL in Coursera. First, if you want to complete this assignment, first we need to install this MAMP server that I am already told in week 2 assignment video itself. Okay, if you don't know how to install MAMP server, please check week 1. They will instruct you how to install this MAMP server, and then after installing completion, see this video, it will help for you. Okay, open this MAMP server. The interface like this. First we need to get these two servers on. How we need to know these two servers are on or off means, if this button like is green means that server is on. If you need these two servers on only, we can proceed this way. Okay, if you are getting only one server and process is ending means, we have three options. We can click wrong button and again open, and here servers is there. We can open start or stop server again. Here also one button is there, stop server and start server. We can proceed in this way also. Now I am getting two on. Here now I am getting two servers is on. So I can go with open web start page. Okay. Here the interface is like this. First we need to go here. We have start my website, PHP info and tools. Inside these tools we need to go with PHP my admin. The interface is like this. If you see the question, I already opened this one, so okay, now again I am opening the question. First we need to create the database name as roster he is taken. If you want, you take different name, you can take, not a problem at all. Okay, now we need to create three tables. That names, the table names as user, course and member. Inside the user we have two attributes, user ID and name. The user ID is the primary key. Primary key means unique key. Okay, here course ID and title. Here course ID also unique key. Okay, here user ID, course ID. Here they are mentioning user ID as foreign key, course ID as foreign key. Why they are mentioning foreign key means, already before these two tables we are using that user ID and course ID we already entered. Again we want to reuse that. That's why they are mentioning as foreign key here. And the role. Role I will tell you here. This is the name of the user, and user ID we need to give different user IDs for each and every one. If I start with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and so on up to 15, we need to give the user ID. Course ID, we have 5 courses, 3 courses with each course having 5 sets. Okay, here SI106, SI106 and SI106 5 sets is there, and these three set having different courses. Okay, we need to give SI106 course ID as 1, SI110 course ID as 2, SI206 course ID as 3. The in the given question they are mentioning we need to use role of 1 for instructor and role of 0. Here we are using role. That role is integer. So if he is a instructor, we need to take that value as 1. He is a learner, we need to take that value as 0. That I will explain later part. Okay. This command is used after inserting all the data. The data is inserted correct or not, for checking purpose only this statement is used. If you want any doubts, if you have any doubts, we can check from copy pasting this command in there and executing, we can get the data. We can see that. Okay, after completion of this we need to export that file as JSON extension. That I will tell you later. Okay, first I will go to here MAMP here. Okay, so great, sorry, wait a minute. This is okay. First I already created one database as roster. That's why I am dropping the database drop sorry drop database roster. I am already having, that's why I am dropping. If you don't have means in here I successfully dropped that raster. Now again I need to create the database. So I need to create database as roster. First we need to click in new. Sorry, if you click in new only, okay, then you can go with SQL. Here we need to create a database. Create database roster. Then click on go button. Oh, successfully the database is created. Okay. Then we need to use the database. Use roster. Inside this database only we need to create 3 empty tables. That content they are giving here. Okay, 1 minute. Okay, here this content. Okay. They are giving drop table if exist members, drop table if exist user. These 3 commands is useful when you already insert these tables, user table, course table and member table. Now I am creating first time, so no need that command to copy. Copy other than that till this one till end. Then go here and paste it. Then click on go. Okay. Now use roster. Inside the roster database, we created user table, course table, member. User table having user ID as unique, name as unique. In the course table, course ID and title as unique. In the member table, you have user ID and course ID and role. Okay. Now we are successfully created 3 tables. We need to insert the data in user, course and member tables. Okay. For that, first we need to use that all tables is under in user roster database only. So I use this statement use roster. Okay. Now if you want to insert, okay, now I forgot T here. Okay, insert into table name is user. Okay, what I need to in user ID and name. Okay, that values we need to insert. Okay, give space here. Here first user ID is 1 and username they are giving here. Okay. Okay, these all are the users. We need to insert this data only. We need to give this user ID. Maintain the first letter of all the users having caps only. If you give small letters, it will not work at the end of the submission. Okay, make that sure. I'm simply copying that and pasting here and clicking on it. Okay, here like this we need to insert all the data. Like this we need to insert all the data. I already typed, so simply I copied pasted. So we need to maintain this user ID as unique 1 2 3 4 5 6 and so on up to 15. These names they are giving here now. Okay, these names we need to copy them. Okay, after copying this, simply click on go button. Okay, now successfully inserted rows in which table? User table. Now we have other 2 tables. We need to insert the data. So use again that other 2 tables are also inside the roster database only. So use roster command again I am using. Then again we need to insert into, now we need to insert the data in course table. So I am using course. We have 2 attributes here. One is course ID and other one is title, title, title. Okay, we need to give values for that. So simply the first one course ID is 1, and here we have three courses, SI 106, 110 and 206. SI 106. Okay, and switch semicolon. I already typed this commands, that's why I simply copied here. Okay, insert into course table course ID title. We have only three courses. We have 15 different users, but 15 users taking only three courses. Each user taken only one course. Okay, that's the course 1 or course 2 or course 3. First 4 learners and one instructor taking course 1, and second four instructors and one four learners and one instructor taking course 2, like this. Okay, after inserting this, click on go button. Then we successfully completed this step also. Okay, inserted. Okay, now again we need to use roster. Okay, insert this roster only. Insert into, now the database, sorry, table name is member. We need to use course id comma course id, and sorry, first we need to take user id, after that only course id, after that only role. Values, here given space, here values, user id is 1, course si 106, I think. Okay, can I check once? Yes, si 106, that yeah. Abhay is taking SI 106. SI 106 is the course that we are already used this course ID as 1 and this user ID as 1, and he is an instructor. Now we need to use for instructor role here 1. That's why I am taking here 1, course ID 1 and 1 and ends with semicolon. Like this, I inserted all the members user ID, course ID and role here. Okay, and values here. Okay, first user ID, second user, third, fourth, fifth, sixth and so on up to 15, and courses, these 5 for one instructor and 4 learners taking one course, and one instructor and 4 learners again same thing. Okay, here he is an instructor, that's why we are mentioning as 1. Here these 4 are learners, that's why we are mentioning as 0, 1 0 0 and 1 4 zeros. Okay, after completion of this, click on go button. Okay, already successfully completed this step also. Now click on SQL. Again we need to use roster for checking purpose. We are in we are inserted the data successfully only, but we need to check once again. So that's why I'm mentioning like this. I'm checking this condition. It is work. This inserting data is correct or not. So after this ends with semicolon and click on go. Yeah, I successfully installed data. My all data is here. If you want, you can check it from here also. Successfully completed. So click on, now we need to export this file. So click on roster and click on export. It's loading. So simply ignore that case. Okay. Here we need export method. Click on custom display all possible options. Here SQL we need to extend with JSON. Okay, here we need to roster. Okay, in roster here we need to check this dot, if we are mentioning like this only. Okay, save output to a file. Okay, after completing of this 3 steps, go through with go and save as roster.json. as we need to check this one also. This one also we need to have JSON file only. Okay, save this. Already I have, that's why I am replacing that. Okay, successfully I replaced it. Okay, now sorry, here now we need to upload that file. How to upload I will tell you now. Here click on choose a file and go through it. I saved in the desktop only. Okay, JSO, sorry, roster I took. Okay, roster.json. This file we need to upload. Click on open. Then if you uploaded successfully, it will show like this. Okay, click on submit button. Make sure to select a file before pressing submit. Okay, we forgot that one. Again we need to submit because I clicked